Hello everyone, I'm Chloe Su, the Marketing Manager of Planet Technology. Today we're going to introduce Planet exclusive Color Touch LCD series to you. Planet developed the world's first Color Touch LCD Ethernet switch, which features quick installation and real-time monitoring of data transmission and PoE statuses. With the intuitive Color Touch LCD control, the IT technicians are able to do immediate troubleshooting without having to log into the computer, such as cable diagnostics or centralized network equipment control, which greatly enhance the network management efficiency. Now let's take a look at some of the highlighted features. With the built-in Color Touch LCD panel, users are now able to manage network directly. In this video, we would like to demonstrate some of the key functions for troubleshooting and daily operations. To monitor real-time PoE usage for each power devices in the network, you can simply click on PoE icon on the main menu. Then go to Status Slideshow. From here, you can check on the PoE usage for each port and the total PoE consumption. By quickly identifying devices with abnormal power usage, IT staff can further adjust the PoE priority. When users find the connection speed slowing down, IT staffs can follow the steps we demonstrate here to control the bandwidth for specific ports directly through the touch panel in order to keep the network running smoothly. First, on the main menu, click on Switching. Here, you can find the icon to set up bandwidth control. Choose the specific port and then configure the ingress rate. Using bandwidth control, we can assign a limit for each port, minimizing the interface when connecting through a certain port is under heavy load. In this series, we're highlighting L310G Managed Switch and the Industrial PoE Gigabit Router. And we have more innovations lined up in our comprehensive product portfolio, covering industrial-grade, commercial-grade, routers, switches, and the flat-type design. Last but not least, our Touch LCD switch and router are integrated with our latest central network management solution, the NMS, that integrates different protocols covering MQTT, SNMP, ONVIF, and Planet Smart Discovery. Planet NMS can manage up to 10 types of network devices. With our unique technology of NMS solution and Touch LCD design, network management becomes easy and efficient. To know more, please log on to our website at www.planet.com.tw.